maybe I need to get my butt on a Sport Chief RT, just ripping around, burn a little rub. We're gonna tour the factory, hang out, TNA Customs, buy a bunch of pizza for people. I freaking booked the band Leaving Hope. I am excited though, because we did change the world. We did do big things like we always say we're gonna do. Oh, hey, what's going on, guys? Oh my God, do I have something big to tell you? What is it? Oh yeah, much better. What is going on? I can't believe it. I'm just over here cleaning my stuff. Check it out. We changed the world. What the heck? How did we change the world? Well, let me show you. How did we change the world? Well, let me explain to you. You know what? Take a walk with me. Do you guys remember last year when we did a little bit of work with, here, I'm gonna get in the sun so y'all can see me looking good, feeling good, baby. I cannot believe it. These are big times for us. Listen, last year we worked at Indian Motorcycle Charity Ride. We raised money for Folds of Honor. We did our thing, right? We won the bike. And then with the help of so many people and companies, we made this Indian Springfield one of a kind, and it is like the sickest bike. And we know we took it to auction, and yeah, hang on a second. Look, what is that? What is that? Yeah, we took it to auction, and we ended up selling this one of a kind for $55,000. We did it big. Our community has done it all. We did it. So when Indian Motorcycle announced that they were gonna do a national charity ride again, and the person that raises the most money wins another bike. Hang on. Wins another bike. I was asked if I wanted to try to do it again. Obviously, the answer is no. Hell nah. I do not want to do that again. Are you kidding me? I mean, no. Well, no, I don't want to win a free bike. So this is what I'm gonna do. So I put the pressure on Indian Motorcycle with the help of so many others. I said, listen, why don't we run it back? When it's nice, baby, we do it twice. That is right. Actually, I think it's a cool background. Let's move over there. Hey, what do you guys in the tree? Oh, hey, come on out the tree. I said it's a cool background, not get in the tree. So this is what we're gonna do. I said to Indian Motorcycle, you guys, I don't think what I did and what we did is fair. We won a motorcycle, we customized it with the help of so many people. We took it to auction, we did this cool thing. But whoever wins the bike should just ride the wheels off of the damn thing. Do you know? Like, I'm the only dummy in the world that will win a free motorcycle, do some cool stuff, and then sell it? Not even sell it, give it away? Now granted, for a good cause, and I don't even regret it for a second, and Kevin is sure loving that Springfield, and I just, you know, freaking pumped about it. But this is what happened. Indian Motorcycle then said they agreed with me. So with the help of a little bit of pressure from Folds of Honor, a little bit of pressure from the fish community, they decided to give a motorcycle to freaking Twitch. To have him do a one-up build it up, paint it. I don't even know what this dude is gonna do, but Twitch is himself is gonna do it all. And we're gonna take that bike to auction. We're gonna raise more money for Folds of Honor, baby. That is what we're gonna do. But somebody still has to win a bike, or it's not fun. So they are gonna also give a Sport Chief RT to whoever raises the most money.
The Indian Sport Chief RT is an American V-twin purpose-built to perform, upgraded with factory-installed accessories and tuned for the open road. Locking hard saddlebags, a power band audio Bluetooth speaker, 23-click fully adjustable Fox piggyback shocks, and a new 2-up bolster seat take the Sport Chief RT to a whole new level.
And I sure in the hell hope whoever wins this bike freaking rips on it, smokes the tire, has some fun, and tries to wear it out. That is my hope, okay? Ooh. Here, it's windy. Let's go over here. Ooh, I'm in the shade. All right, so this is what we're gonna do. So hopefully whoever wins that bike, the brand new Sport Chief RT, rips the wheels off, has fun. It's gonna be bone stock, so it's up to you to do what you want to that bike. I am excited though, because we did change the world. We did do big things like we always say we're gonna do. Listen. We're gonna continue to do big things, and now this is your chance. Join the Indian Motorcycle Charity Ride. Go to your local IMRG, you can sign up, you could win. Go on there and at least donate. I'm gonna be honest with you, I have already donated to an individual. I hope that I'm gonna keep a track. I know the dude's way down on the list right now, and I'm okay with that. I hope good luck to him. Good luck to so many of you guys, because somebody will win a brand new Sport Chief RT. And you, or the person who wins it, I hope that they just enjoy it. And they don't do nothing stupid like me and try to sell it right away, because, ooh, just like the sun is shining bright. I'm not right in my mind. What I am right with is we did big things for Folds of Honor, and I'm proud of that moment. And because of that, a second bike has now been optioned. Freaking Twitch is gonna build it. That is gonna be cool in itself. So 2 bikes, 1 bike going to an individual. The second bike, we are running back. We're gonna take it to an auction house. Not sure if it's gonna be Meekum or if it's gonna be Barrett Jackson or who's gonna do the auction, but somebody's gonna do this bad boy, and I'm freaking hyped about that. We can do the community thing that we did last time, and I really hope that we get a chance to do that. I am all vested in this. I asked them to let me build it. I'm gonna tell you, they said, bro, you ain't Twitch. They're not wrong about that. Twitch builds some badass bikes. So I'm actually hyped to see. By the way, I think that we did a great Springfield, okay? I think we did. I think we did a great Springfield, a one-of-a-kind freaking auction bike, awesome bike. And I do believe Twitch is going to build the sickest Sport Chief RT. 2 bikes, 1 charity. That sounds like a cup thing that this is way better note. So you guys, when I say we changed the world, we did, and I'm pumped and I'm excited, because without all of us doing what we did last time, the psychoticness, all the work that we did, what is going down this year would not have happened. So thank you guys so much. I freaking appreciate it, and I'm excited to watch this next thing. Boy, we gotta raise money. Indian Motorcycle set a goal of $250,000, and I know I'm just doing my first video, but we are not even close. We need to up the game. Sign up or support somebody. Do you got $1? Do you got $1? You got $1? You got a $10? I'll tell you what, I'll be honest with you, I did a $100. So try to match me, find somebody, do your own thing, spread it out. I am not signed up. I will not sign up. I will not do that. I'm just hoping that we have a good time, because baby, when we do things, we do big things. And sometimes in the mix of fun, big things, we change the world. Now, this is my world, but it's big. We've done it, and I appreciate you. So until the next video, which I don't even know, like, I gotta figure out a way to like showcase this, right? Maybe I need to get my butt on a Sport Chief RT, just ripping around, burn the little rubber. I mean, make the rubber go round, round. But I'm pretty psyched. Thank you guys. Go sign up. I'm gonna put a link in the description or underneath, whatever. It's gonna be the generic one. Go sign up, go make a donation. Remember, if you don't know who Folds of Honor is, they are a charity organization that supplies scholarships for the dependents of veterans and first responders that have deceased or became disabled in the line of duty. These scholarships go to not only the spouses but also the kids. It's a really cool thing. You know, I have often said that kids don't have a choice of what their parents do, and not always does the spouse either. So I freaking believe in this charity on another level, and I really do hope that we get that 250,000. You know, I got another $100 or probably or something. I'm gonna throw some money down, probably on my boy or some other person. I don't know. I'm actually gonna do some fundraising this summer where I'll probably donate that to no individual, but just the cause. We need to hit 250. I would be excited if we do that. So speaking of that, I will be doing a Indian Motorcycle Factory Tour June 20th. It's a meetup in Spirit Lake, Iowa, where we're gonna tour the factory. And then I'm asking everybody that comes to this to give me $50 that I'm gonna put into Folds of Honor. Not an individual, but just the overall thing. We're gonna tour the factory, hang out. TNA Customs has decided to give me a budgeted amount of money. He's gonna happily, the company is gonna buy a bunch of pizza for people. So thank you to TNA Customs for that. You guys are freaking awesome. Also, in the evening, I'm pretty hyped about this too, but in the evening, at the hotel, which is the Travelodge in Spirit Lake, Iowa. I'll put a link. There's lots of links in the bottom, so just check them out. But so June 20th, the evening, I freaking booked the band Leaving Hope. Dude, this band kicked off Sturgis at the Buffalo Chip last year on the main stage, and now they're with us, baby, because we do big things. So the band is gonna be playing. I asked them, I don't know what they're gonna do, if they're gonna do a full-on rock concert. I told them that's not probably the vibe I'm looking for, but you know what? You can't stop greatness, baby, because it just keeps on chucking along, you know? So then the next day on June 21st, that is a Saturday, it is gonna be a big group ride from Spirit Lake, Iowa to Indian Motorcycle of Mason City, where they have again provided food. Listen, I hope you guys can make that event, but we're gonna be collecting money. I have my own individual goals. I would love to raise a good amount and help out this cause and do it in a different way than I did last year. And so just to start off, baby, June, this is what we're doing. So I hope to see you guys June 20th. I hope you guys can rest your head at night, tonight, knowing you had a point in changing the world and doing cool stuff and helping families and making things bigger. Why? Because we do big things. Until next time, ride hard, ride fast, and say hi to somebody you don't know. Peace.